big ass forehead anymore. Like, look at it! Okay, this is the photo I want to recreate. This is the starting. I look dry. I have ointment on my eyelids. I don't know if this angle is good. Like, my camera's slightly lower and I have to be a little farther away from my vanity. I think I want a new vanity. I had a really nice vanity. I threw it away because I was like, it's too big. Didn't realize that I should have rearranged my apartment to fit my really nice vanity. The top was getting disgusting, so I kind of needed to get rid of it, but now I'm looking for a nicer vanity, you know, where I can store my makeup so that I can film better. Anyways, this is the look we're going for. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. So clean. See what I mean? It's supposed to be clear. Mine, let me show you. Mine has completely turned white. So I'm gonna throw it away. And we're gonna keep this baby closed. These are the spoolies I like to use. I'm gonna just bend it a little bit. So I'm currently concealing my face. Sometimes I don't know if I want these to be talking videos or if I want these to be like music playing. I think I put a little bit too much concealer on my chin. My chin, bruh. I cannot see. Like, I think I got concealer in my eye and I cannot see. So I'm gonna fuck up this makeup look because I cannot see. I cannot see. And I know I'm looking a little ashy, but that's because the girl has really bright under eyes in her photo, so. And I just need a bigger vanity so that I can place all my makeup. Or at least have it in a drawer so I can put it away. I forgot to put cream bronzer. Hold on, I'm gonna do that on my nose.
Baby grow solid.
Actually, no, I'm not going to.
I can't today, I got a thing.
Ever since I switched over to using these like powder puffs, I think that's what they're called instead of beauty blenders, bro. Like the powder, exceptional, literally exceptional. If you're like, oh my god, what's wrong with your face, Rashawn? I don't have any depth. I haven't done any of my bronzing or contouring, okay? So please forgive that I'm lacking depth, okay? We're gonna add her back, okay? We're gonna add the depth back. Trust me. I look a little scary, I know, okay? I'm scared. Jumping scare. Jumping scare. I think I'm gonna do my contour first so that I don't forget to do it because I really want to do my nose a specific way. So here we go. Okay, so I figured that this was a little too dark for me, but it makes the perfect like bronzer because it's just slightly too dark. Like, look at that! For my forehead shrunk. My forehead. My forehead's shrunk. My forehead has definitely shrunk. It's 9 sizes smaller. Not a big ass forehead anymore. Like, look at it! I've been getting so good at my makeup. Like, I don't know. I think I glowed up. Like, something happened. I think I glowed up. Let me stop because I'm gonna watch this footage back and be like, why do your eyebrows look like that, Rashonda? Okay. Here we go, babes. Here we go. The eyeshadow. I'm really nervous because I stopped doing eyeshadow on my face in like 2020. So here we go. Should I do the blush first? I'm gonna do the blush first. Fuck that. We're gonna do the blush first. Where's my NARS blush? Let me find that. NARS, baby, where are you? I have to move my tripod. The angle's gonna change. Okay. Our little NARS blush because it's so bright, so pretty. Okay, this is not gonna be identical to her because it looks like she's wearing like two blushes, and I don't want to put cream blush on my face because then it makes my face sticky. So she's wearing like a lot of blush, so make sure I keep it where her blush is and really focus on making it really nice and pigmented. And trying not to make my face look red. I'm wearing red, so it's gonna bring out the reds in my face, I feel like. Eyeshadow time. I'm just gonna use my soft glam palette because I feel like there's some good shades in here. Like there's a pale color, there's a black, but she just has like a smoky eye with a cut crease. So I'm gonna go in with this pale ass color. It's gonna make me look ashy. And we're gonna do it. Don't be scared, Rashonda. Don't be scared, remember. We're recreating, we're experimenting today. Like, our faces is a canvas. If we mess up, it's okay. Or we don't like how our makeup comes out, it's okay. We just tried. We're just trying today. So, I'm gonna blend this out as best I can. And just, we'll get the excess off the brush so it's not crazy, but you can, like, she has like an ashier eyelid like that. Remember, come brush off the excess. I don't have to keep it on her. Ooh, it's already looking really good. It's so nerve-wracking because I did not like wearing eyeshadow. It's so hard to do. You gotta be really talented to pull off some eyeshadow. What did I tell you guys about scratching at the sofa? Okay, it's not terrible. Again, we're going for an ashy look. Again, we're going for an ashy look, y'all. So, apologies. Now, I'm gonna dip once into the black, brush off a lot of that, and then go into the brown. Because I don't want all of that. And then I'm gonna go in like my crease. And then I'm gonna take this really light concealer here. Really light, she's real light. And I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna put like the thinnest layer of concealer on my eye, like a cut crease. Ooh, I put way too much. It's all on my hands. Makeup's messy. I haven't done a cut crease in like years. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like adding the lashes, I feel like the blush is not blush enough. It's not blushing. We're gonna add the lashes and see if that does anything, because I feel like the lashes will elevate the eye. I feel like the lashes kind of make it look a little bit better. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, babes. I'm not sure. What's that? Now I'm gonna try and recreate this lip. I think I did it. Like, my eyebrows aren't as thin. You know, I slightly look ashy. This is her only beauty mark. I was gonna find my own, but I couldn't find them. I think I put a little bit too much. A little too much foundation. But I think I did it. I think I did the look. I really like the lips. Like, I like how bright they are. Like, it's very out of my comfort zone. Something I would not do. I'm not sure how I like this look. Like, this is just isn't my makeup style. This isn't the style that I do. I like, you know, like, I like soft girl, natural. And this is like very dramatic. Like, the eyes are very, like, it's giving me ashy, but like that's the look. Like, it's giving like 90s, you know what I mean? Like, very like 90s supermodel, like. And then the contrast of the lips, like. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.